Hello and welcome to Recipe Chapter. Today, we're bringing bold Middle Eastern flavor to your table with 5-ingredient Beef Kofta Kebabs.
Juicy, spiced ground beef paired with a simple, cooling yogurt sauce. This quick dish is ready in 30 minutes. List of all ingredients. "500 grams ground beef, 1.1 pounds. One medium onion, finely chopped. 2 tsp ground cumin. 1/2 cup plain yogurt for sauce. 2 tsp fresh mint, chopped. Combine beef and onion. Add cumin, salt, and pepper. Mix gently until combined. Form Kofta Kebabs. Kofta's ready to cook. Heat black skillet. Cook koftas in skillet. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on the first side until a golden brown crust forms. Flip the koftas and continue cooking on all sides until they are browned and cooked through. Remove the finished koftas from the pan and let them rest for 5 minutes. Now, let's quickly make the cooling yogurt sauce. Mix the plain yogurt with the chopped mint or parsley and a pinch of salt. For extra brightness, add a quick squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Finish by adding a generous dollop or drizzle of the cooling yogurt sauce over the hot koftas. These juicy, flavorful kofta kebabs are a perfect easy weeknight meal. Thanks for watching and subscribing.